Okay, so we're back and getting ready to do some cleaning, pressure wash the boat. Still pretty dry inside, some leaks, which I knew were there. It's gonna get a lot dirtier and wetter, so we'll do the exterior today, and I'll start the interior later. Here's a quick look at how dingy, moldy, and dirty it is. So hopefully it's much better when I'm done. Okay, so to me it's a lot cleaner. It probably doesn't look a lot cleaner to you guys. A lot of the mold done. I guess I'll do the hull and maybe call it a day today. We got lots of old paint and scum and mold piles, and some water over there that I'm gonna try to blow off through one of the scuppers. And I'm not gonna tackle that cockpit tart or this today. Not sure the cockpit drains work. It's gonna come apart anyway, but I guess it's just gonna have to get a hand scrub and sweep when it's dry. Okay, hopefully we can see the difference on the video. I definitely can hear. The rot is more pronounced in a couple spots there and on the opposite side. But the top sides, there's way less mold. I think there's some rot on that tow rail near the stern on both sides. But it's definitely looking better, so might be a bit of time before I get back here, so do a bit of planning. The mast definitely needs to be replaced. There's a big crack. I probably could snap it in two if I stood on it. So we need to collect some wood for planking, for splining the planks, and also some more planking material. Get back here, check some of the fastenings. We'll pull a few and replace some planks, definitely on the top side, like here. On the other side, replace some of the tow rails. We'll have to take the whole thing off. And I want to finish the capping of the tow rail on the back, like it is on the front. So definitely an improvement, but definitely a lot of work to do. I am concerned here. These planks, they feel all right. Maybe it's just paint failing, but here, obviously, there's a bit of a divot. May need to be just refastened, hopefully. The same here. It's getting a bit hairy on the outside, but it feels pretty strong. I think fastenings do look like copper, so that's good. So Lou from Tips from a Shipwright recommends cutting in the water lines, and I thought the water line was about here instead of where it's painted, and the paint may be so that this much is above the water line. There's a cut here and another slight cut there. If we're looking at the other side, there's maybe where we were here. So there's a slight cut there, but it disappears. There is a cut there. It might be filled with paint. I'll check the stern and see if there's something corresponding with just below the white stripe and then the plank below it. Okay, I never really noticed before, but I think there might be a cut there, which corresponds to the top one. And the bottom one is probably somewhere here where I filled with a bit of filler. So here, hard to say if there's a cut line there. It looks like there's one here. It's probably hard to see on video. And the other one would be, again, about where this nut is here to here. So that makes me think I was correct. The water line is about here. Top of the bead stripe was originally there. Which means this water line, we're probably looking at a water line about here. The big stripe here to here originally. I don't see any cuts in the plank, but they're old, showing the grain. So I guess I don't really expect to find one. I might find one if I scrape some paint, but I doubt it on this side. Take a quick look on this side. Again, the line would have been around here somewhere. There's some lines here, but that might just be scrapes in the hull. I don't really see anything. But I think we'll move the boot stripe down to where I think it's supposed to be.